Are you tired of seeing fake, get-rich-quick schemes on YouTube? Well, in this video, I'll show you 5 real online side hustles you can start in 2025 with zero investment. Today, I'm going to show you the most authentic way to earn money online with zero investment. So, let's jump into the video after the intro. Here are 5 authentic and easy ways to earn money. Freelancing, Fiverr, Upwork, YouTube automation, affiliate marketing, print on demand, Redbubble, Teespring, online course selling, Skillshare, Udemy. Side hustle 1. Freelancing. Freelancing is the easiest way to start making money online. You can sell your skills on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Even if you're a beginner, you can start with services like data entry, translation, or simple graphic design. Side hustle 2. YouTube automation. YouTube automation is one of the fastest growing side hustles. You don't need to show your face. Just create videos using stock footage and voiceovers. Channels like Top 10 Facts or Motivation Daily earn thousands every month. Side hustle 3. Affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, you earn money by promoting products. Every time someone buys using your link, you get a commission. You can join Amazon Associates or ClickBank for free. Side hustle 4. Print on demand. Print on demand lets you design t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases and sell them without holding any stock. Websites like Redbubble or Teespring handle everything for you. Side hustle 5. Online courses. If you know something valuable, like English speaking, coding, or graphic design, you can create a course and upload it on Skillshare or Udemy. People around the world will pay to learn from you. So there you go, 5 realistic side hustles you can start in 2025 without any investment. Which one do you want me to explain step by step? Comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for weekly guides.